Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while, I haven't done a review in quite a while, but I'm here now to do the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'R Hydrating Longwear Foundation review for you guys. So I got this foundation a few days ago. I usually get foundations like that's not my shade. Like I always request for testers, so I got this to use on my clients because I mean I can't have all the shades of foundations. I don't wear foundations that much all the time. So I got this in a lighter shade, and then this is their hydrating foundation, and the other one they released was their soft matte foundation, the very first foundation. And this foundation comes in a plastic tube like this, and then it comes with a pump as well. So I got this one in the shade 470, but I'm originally in the shade I got this in the shade 430, but I'm originally in the shade 470. So when I got to the counter, I requested for testers, and the beautiful lady there was kind enough to give me a few testers. So, and then she also gave me the soft matte primer, because I didn't just want to try this foundation with any primer. I wanted, you know, something that would go with it. I didn't go for the hydrating primer just because I get a bit oily, and I didn't want to go with the matte primer. So I went for something in between, which is the soft matte primer. So I'm just going to go straight ahead to apply this on my face. I'll take a bit, just about that size, and then massage it into my skin. But it's good. My face doesn't feel greasy, and it doesn't look greasy, it just looks slightly matte. So I guess that's why it's a soft matte foundation. So now I'm going to go straight and use the 470, which is my original shade in the soft matte foundation. Let's see what the coverage is like. So I guess I need a mirror to be closer to me. So so I'm just going to show you what this part looks like that I've applied with my brush, and then the other side of my face. And I have this pigmentation here, so let me see if it did a good job covering it. I mean, on the first go, it's just a layer of foundation. So that's what this side looks like, and then the other side, this and this. It's lightweight, it's not heavy, it doesn't feel heavy, and it's really blending into my skin. So this is just a layer of the foundation, and it has given me just the ideal coverage I would normally go for. Sorry, I wanted to know if it has a strong smell, but the smell is just, the scent, it is very mild, and I'm loving it. You can see what it looks like. It just blends right into my skin. So this their new formula, I must say, is good. So okay, let me just get my concealer. So I'm going to be highlighting and contouring with my Fenty concealer in the shade 450. So now I'm going to contour my face with the Fenty Beauty stick contour. So to set the under eye concealer, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'R Instant Retouch Setting Powder in the shade Nutmeg. And so to set my contoured area, I'm going to use the ZARON face definer in the shade XT20. And to set my entire face, I'll be using the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder in the shade Dark Deepest. Okay, so I'm going to finish my entire face and then get my hair done, and I'll see you guys just in a little while. So guys, this is what the finished look is. I've done my hair, I've styled my hair, and then yeah, it took me about 30 to 40 minutes to style my hair, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm a bit shiny, but this foundation is genuinely like hydrating. If you like the dewy finish, this foundation is for you. If you've got really dry skin, this foundation is for you. But if you are like quite oily, more of like if you're on the oily side, I'm sorry, this foundation is not for you unless you don't mind being shiny, because I'm more on the oily side, and I noticed that, I mean, my face isn't matte, it's shiny, and this is just like maybe 40 minutes after I applied the foundation with the primer. So remember what I said, if you are oily, this foundation might not be the perfect foundation for you. Maybe you would go for the soft matte foundation, the soft matte Fenty foundation, as opposed to going for the hydrating one. You have dry skin, this is the foundation for you. You would definitely like it. And would I personally use this foundation? Yes, I would use it, say if it's dry season or like winter period, but for the heat, or if I'm in the tropics, or if I like visit Nigeria, it's usually humid there, I won't really like use this foundation because I know I'm just going to be a ball of oil. It's medium coverage, meaning it's buildable, it's lightweight, and then so I hope this video was really helpful, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you've got any other videos, suggestions you would like to make, don't forget to drop them in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.